Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Make Auto Clinic. Welcome back to our channel. I'm really very sorry. After a long period, after I can say almost a year, I must have I have not uploaded anything. So I'm sure I'm very much away from the internet and a lot of other things because of due to some technical reasons I couldn't upload the video. But since now I have a chance, now I got the good time to upload. And I got a good chance as well to upload one of the video. You must be thinking what I am going to upload. The video is very much, the video is regarding this Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 model. It's a very small component. It's a very, we can say that I don't need to upload the video, but you may think that why he's making so much a big video or talking a lot. The reason behind it, in the BS6 model, or in Himalayan rather I should say, the indicator what they have given is little bit different. The construction engineering concept is very much simple, not an issue, right? But the thing is what the construction engineering or the fitment is very much different than older indicators or any other indicator. So we are discussing basically about the indicator. If your Himalayan indicator comes off, then what treatment you have to keep, that is what we are going to check in this video. So let's jump on the video. So this is BS6 model Himalayan. Indicator is off, ignition was off. Now I'm going to switch it on. So console unit is on now. So we'll switch on the indicator first to understand what is the problem. So pilot indicator is blinking very fast. That is what I'm feeling. If compared to left, that means something is wrong, right? So what is wrong? Left indicator is working very well. The front and rear indicator is working very well. So the pilot indicator, now is front indicator, right is possibly what I feel is damaged because I don't see it's blinking. So if the circuit is half, so in that case what happens generally, the flasher will blink very fast. So rear is working well and the front right is not working well, or it is conked off, it's not working. That means there is some problem, right? So we will not immediately come to say judgment that indicator is faulty or something. We will just open it up. So for that you will be requiring Phillips head screwdriver. Take a small one and take the screwdriver which has got a thin stem, because it has got a cavity, so your regular screwdriver may not go inside. So just unscrew the indicator, remove the screw. Be careful, kind of a work what you are doing right now, it's on plastic and it's a bit flimsy. I'm not having any kind of a trust on the indicator metal or the material, sorry. So be careful while working on the indicator, specifically these indicators. These are new types of indicator. So one screw, what you have to remove from the indicator, and remove the indicator body from the front side. As you can see, it has got two points, two terminals. The thicker speed pin, female speed, is for positive, that is white and black strip, and black is negative, white is positive. A thin clip is basically given for the negative. This is the indicator what I have removed from the unit, and as you can see, it has got two terminals. One is positive, that is in the center, and negative is on the periphery. This indicator is sealed from the front side, so you can't remove the bulb from the front side, because that is to avoid water entry. As you can see, what I found is that this terminal is loose. As I mentioned, this is possibly costly indicator, so instead of buying the indicator, just open up the indicator if it is conked off and just check out what is the problem. Just try to learn the problem first. So what I found is that this is the first thing what I am seeing, that the terminal is loose, you can see there is a gap, almost a 1 mm gap, which is so it is not touching the bulb point, the center point. And even if it's touching, then it is intermittent, just because of the vibration. There is a possibility that it may not contact with the bulb center. So what my primary diagnostic is that disconnection of the bulb from the terminal itself rather than any power supply. So first we will work on this. First we will learn to remove the bulb, and then we will rectify this problem, and then we will check other things. This is sealed indicator, as I mentioned, just like sealed headlight beam which used to come in the market. So this is sealed type of indicator. You cannot remove the bulb from the front side, you have to remove from the back end side. This is the holder which I was holding, and has got two lugs. These are the two lugs which you have to press, and then you have to remove the holder. It's bit critical, the material is brittle and the design is wrong. And if you look at the design, then whenever you are pressing the lugs, they are not actually putting exact pressure on the lock point. So you have to press both the lugs, or both the legs also you can say. It looks like a toy car material. It's not a professional indicator, what I feel. And even if it is, then they have to give proper design. This is a very wrong design. If it breaks, then you can't buy the spare, you will have to buy the whole indicator. I got hurt. So the holder is out now, and you have to remove the bulb now from the front side. So this is the indicator body and this is the indicator holder. Remove the bulb by twisting. This is the normal twisting type of bulb. It has got a track and two thorns coming out of the bulb body. The earth point is on the periphery, so no need to worry about the contact, but the positive is important. So first we will work on the holder. Be careful with the bulb. So I am going to press the metal inside, which will have a little bit tension. Funny part is that copper will never have that kind of a tension for a long time. It will become loose because it doesn't have retention type of property. I don't know why they have given this metal over here. Although it's a good conductive material, but it's a good terminal, so it's good for indicator, but not for retention purpose. So there are two things. One is for touching the terminal to the bulb, and secondly that bulb should not move while riding. So for the retention purpose they have given this, but it's a wrong metal. You have to keep the multimeter on the diode or the continuity tester. Now we are going to check the bulb also. We will not come immediately on this one diagnostic that the holder was faulty. As you can hear the beep, because there is a possibility that the filament is not broken from glass side but from the holder side, possible desoldering due to desoldering. So as you can hear beep, that means the bulb is working well. So I am not going to replace the bulb. I am going to refit exactly everything, and after that you have to check the terminal positive and negative voltage by using the multimeter. I forgot to show you in the video, but you have to do that, so you will understand whether the power is coming or not. So three things you have to understand: holder contact point, the power to the terminal points from the bike or from the harness, and this third thing is the bulb testing. Now bulb also, the holder has got one timing, particular one timing. You cannot fit either ways. You have to fix according to its shape only. As I mentioned, it's too much of engineering they have done in this indicator for no reason, and where they have to do the engineering, then they have not done. The distance between the lug and the body is too small, so even if you press the lug, it doesn't unlock or lock. While fitting it, just a press fit, that is fine, but while removing it should unlock from the body, which is not happening. So if you are fitting like this way, it won't fit because touching the body. As you can see, it is touching the body or the indicator. The holder is touching the indicator body. You have to flip or you have to turn either clockwise or counterclockwise 180 degrees, and then it will fit, and just press it. That's it. So fitting is very simple, but removal is very hard. This is the way you have to work on the indicator, right? So you have to test the power at the point, which I forgot to record actually, but you have to check the power. 12 volts should come, and yes, make sure that you are the pins are properly pressed, so it will not have any loose connection, since these are spare pins, so it may get loose when you press the holder. It's a very again wrong reason. I should say that they should not give such kind of pins over here which are very critical and small. It's okay if it is electronics, but in electricals, and that is also in automobile, they should not give. The bigger spare pin is given for the positive and the small spare pin is given for the negative. So you have to press the spare pin, and more than that, the spare pins has got a lock as well, so removal is also a headache. So be careful with the indicator when we are refitting or while removing it from the body. If everything is fine, like 12 volt is coming to the line, if the bulb is fine, then possible, which I showed you, the contact issue was the problem. It's very cozy area. As I said, that over engineering I feel over here. They could have given very normal simple indicator. The boot is given to avoid water entry. I don't know how long it will work, but they have given, so we will have to use it. There is huge possibility that it may, you while working on that, it may tear it off. You may tear it off, so be careful. Right now it's a new bike, just 8,000 kilometers, so rubber is fine, but it may become brittle, or I may see some cracks later on after some time. So maintenance is gonna be one of the headache next time if I'm opening this indicator. So just press the boot on the indicator body from the back side, which will cover up the whole body or the holder, and you have to fix up the indicator in the indicator cover or the body. Now while fitting, there is another lug. As you can see, this point, it should go to indicator body cavity. So you have to fit from one side and then press to screw side, and then fix up the screw and check the indicator again. So this is how you have to diagnose. See, remember the reason behind this is the screw which you have to fix. So how you have unscrewed the screw, you have to fix up according to that only, vice versa. So the reason behind making this video is that the indicator is possibly costly. Opening the indicator is another headache from the body, from the panel also, from wiring harness. So best is to check the indicator first, what is the exact problem, because since the terminals are very problematic, so there is a huge chance that nothing is wrong with the indicator, but the points are not touching to the bulb. And now time to test the indicator. So few minute job will help you out to sort out the problem. Now right indicator, now the pilot indicator is blinking properly and the indicator is working very well. Now blinking is not fast, it's very normal. Both the indicators are working very well. This is how you have to repair the indicator. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked the information. I hope you understood the problem. I hope this will not happen with you, just in case if you are working on the Himalayan, and I hope this will not break. The unit will not break or the spare will not break. I hope you will take the precautionary measurement or the step while working on such spares. Even it was a very small and tiny spare, but it was essential because the construction was different. So I hope you like the video and stay connected to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.